finished with all of them. And I think they look pretty good. If you don't see your school here, post it in the comments below, and we can get it taken care of for you. But yeah, I think they're so super cute. They're perfect for game day. Oh, my fingers are a mess, but yep, we'll get them cleaned up with some alcohol, and we'll get them on some earring cards. But these will go in our Etsy shop, and the link is going to be in the description box below. All right, thanks for watching.